Hey everybody, Keytron here with Locksport. I want to talk to you a little bit about the Roadpro padlock, long shackle. It's a 50mm Chinese lock. And we're going to look at what it's going to take to get into the lock. We're going to use Cobra Instruments' little short hook here, bottom of the keyway tension, and just see what it's going to take to get up in there and get this thing open for you. So we'll run through the pin stacks first. Thought I had a little something there on two. Go back to the back and move our way back. Inching my way very slowly all the way up to the front, and it's open, hung up on a rivet. Let's see if I can get it above that rivet there. Yes. And it's open. Ladies and gentlemen, what you saw there was this little tension tool got hung up on the rivet. So you have to keep it out a little bit, and it popped right open. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Keytron, and thank you for watching.